Hi, and welcome back to part 2 of the Infinity Saga build, and that is the Lego Guardians of the Galaxy ship. So this is where we're up to so far, and we're about to start on stages 21 going forward. So what do we need for stages 21? So, not just these pieces, we need loads of pieces. Okay, now the bits that we need are these orange like seat bits, two of those, two of the orange bricks, and two Lego Technic connectors. So we take our seat that's in orange and we match up one of the orange bricks and pop a Technic connector in there. So with what we've got already, that should go, using that connector piece to go into there. That's simple enough. So I take that, put that on there, and then connect that up like that. So that's stage 21 done. Stage 22 wants that piece, and two of those, and the two purples as well. So we're taking the grey single stud of 8 and connecting it on there. Then with the purple, we'll pop that there. Then the grey, like the seat bit, but a single, and that goes on there like that. So purple, and then the little seat section. So that's stage 22. 23 requires 3 of these, single grey by 4, 2 of these other single little snot bits, I don't know. Anyway, we take the 3, or 4 even, pop it on top. Then our little snot brick, it's not quite a brick, but you get what I mean, and then build that on there like that. So that's 23. 24 requires a little bit of building, so we will also require another one of those pieces with a single grey brick. Pop it on there with a bluish green turquoise coloured stud, and that goes on there like so. Take an orange 2x3 and attach the two together. Then in here should be a single grey tile, and that is going to go like that. So I'm going to build up the other side. So again, we have that. Let's put those together first. So they go together like that, with the blue stud on top. Put it on there, and then have the grey sitting there. Does that mean I've got the grey on the wrong side? Yeah, I've got the grey on the wrong bit there. That should be on there, and that should go there like so. Stage 25 wants us to put all of this together. So we have that. So that's going to sit in there like so with those studs. 26 wants 2 of these little seat areas and 2 grey studs, and they're going at the back. So you could go grey stud, one of these, then one of these, finishing off with a grey stud on the end, like that. 27 requires these long black pieces, and they're going from end to end, starting off like that, and you put them side by side as well. So there they go. I'm going to take the grey hooks and attach them on the inside. So one goes there, and then the other one sits there. That's 27. 28, we have the other grey hooks, different types though. 2 of those with 1, 2, 4 vents, 2 bluish grey tiles and 2 bluish grey 2x4s. So start off by putting a 2x4 across the back, like so. We have these grey tile pieces, grey hooks even, and they go there like that. Then we take our other 2x4, stick it down the middle, and then we have our like vent sections going side by side, like so. Then we take our other, it's a tile but it's the same colour as the 2x4, put that on there. That's 28. 29 requires some more of this bluey grey coloured stuff, so 1 of those, 4 of those, and 4 vents like that. And we're building just in front of here, so put the 2x4 there, then put the vents either side, so 1 there, 1 there, and then the bluey grey tiles next to the vents, like that. So that goes on there, and that goes there, with that going there and there. Right, stage 30 requires 4 of those bits and 6 of the bluish grey colours. And what we're doing with those, well, we're taking the bluish grey, making sure there's a row of studs in front, and we're popping those together like that. Then we take these little knobbly bits and pop them side by side, like so. And put the other ones next to it like that. And then we use up the blue tile short. And put that there and there. Let's see if I can find another tile. Okay, that goes there. That's 230. Right, 231. Seem to be out of the blue tiles. Right. Or I've just disorganised my pots. Right. So 231 takes the bluish grey tiles and pop them okay. I've only got 1, so let's have 2, and I haven't got any right, hang on, I've got another one that goes on there. These little knobbly bits, they go there. Then 32 takes two of these bricks, single bricks, corner pieces, and a larger brick. So the larger brick is going at the back, like so, and they're going to give it the shape like that. And these darker grey bricks are going in there, like so. So that's stage 32. 33 wants us to take these longer bricks, longer sections, and two of these, 1, 2, and then 1 and 2. So the single is going there. The 2 up goes next to it. And the longer ones, traditional Lego pieces, they go down the side, like that. So that's stage 33. Now then, on to stage 34, which requires 2 brown sections, little cylinder pieces. So basically what we see here. So we take our cylinder piece and attach it to a grey, like that. We do that twice. We also take these little ridged bricks and pop a curved wedge on top, and they sit at the back, like that. Then these sit on here, but with the studs on the inside, like that. That's stage 34. And we take these little cheese wedges, put 2 there, then we put 2 on the end, like so. These should have been done in stage 31, I think. And just going back, seem to have a few extra pieces. That's quite normal for Lego. Just making sure I haven't misplaced those. So that's it. That's it for the part 2, and we've finished bag 1. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to come back, where we'll begin at stage 35 and bag 2. Thanks for watching.